Hey friends, it's Aaron from Crystalfontz. We're back with another video talking about development kits, specifically our development kits for OLED displays. If that sounds cool to you, keep watching.
We have a display for that.
OLEDs are different than typical LCDs because instead of illuminating the whole panel, an OLED lights individual pixels. This difference makes OLEDs show brighter brights and darker darks than standard TFTs or LCDs. You might be wondering, what's the purpose of a breakout board? And that's a great question. Our breakout boards are designed to make demonstrating our displays as fast and easy as possible, while giving engineers a working example so they can replicate the hardware design in their product or integrate them directly into it. This OLED breakout board was designed to be used on a number of our OLED displays, each showing an outline on the board, so you're able to try out each of them and see what looks best for your project. The breakout board has jumpers to configure it for 3 or 4 wire SPI or I2C, 2 12-pin 10th-inch ZIF connectors for mounting the display on either side, with a 12-pin header for easily connecting it to a microcontroller, plus 4 mounting holes, well, for mounting. Over on our website you can get this kit wired and running our demo code for our 128x32 series of OLEDs, our 64x48 graphic OLEDs, and our 48x64 graphic OLED. I put links in the description that will take you to the product page. There you can get the tech specs, pricing, demo code, and anything else you need to start working with our small OLED displays. When you order from Crystalfontz, you don't only get a reliable product, you also get outstanding tech support team who will help you work through any of your technical problems, as well as a 1-year product warranty, compliance documentation, and confidence knowing that you're working with an ISO certified company. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.
We have a display for that.